it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess, and I have an Our Generation doll named Clarissa. I'm going to take her out of this box here in a moment, but I wanted to show you her in the box. Of course, her eyes are closed when she's reclined, but they open up when you set her up. This is her box. She comes with a hat and this little outfit, and that's pretty much it. She is one of the medium range dolls. These range anywhere from $20 to $35 depending on what they come with. So yeah, this is going to be a gift to one of my grandnieces, but I wanted to take her out of the box for you guys, but also that way when I give them to her, give her the doll along with other goodies that the doll's coming with, her parents won't have to wrangle this doll out of the box for her. But yeah, let's get her out of here. Okay, here she is. Her hat is actually attached to her head, but I'm going to leave this on for now, and then, you know, if they want to take it off later, they can. This particular little girl that's going to get this doll is into hats. She wears hats a lot, so I think she'll like the idea that this doll has a hat on, and maybe she probably would want to keep it on her. But you can get it off. There's just some little tabs. You'd have to be careful about snipping those off. She's got a little necklace here also attached. I'm going to leave that. That can be easily taken off. And then she has really cute little undies in this. So this is a separate shirt that's tucked into the skirt. She's got these really cute shoes, these little sandals. She's supposed to be going to the beach, I believe. So yeah, she's very cute. This is a nice little outfit. She's got some adorable freckles, blue eyes, and yeah, this will be a cute doll. We're going with a beach theme for the grandnieces, so one of the dolls is getting the surfer, one of the girls is getting the surfer, another girl is getting the lifeguard, and then another girl's getting this doll, which is I think it says that she's wearing a little beach outfit. I could see her walking along the beach in this. This is super cute. But yeah, she's adorable. Let me look at her hair real quick here. Let me see. Let me put something down because I don't want to scratch her face. Alright, so I'm back. I have a little cushiony thing here with her face on it. So this is interesting. Her hair is in two ponytails, and it is parted down the middle. So this is just something to be aware of if you have if you're going to gift this to somebody, or if you're buying it for yourself and you want to mess with their hair. This hair is already parted down the middle, so it's kind of made to stay in ponytails. I did not realize this when I purchased this doll. I was not aware that her hair was already parted. That I thought maybe it was just all, you know, not parted in the back. So hopefully that's going to be okay. Like I said, this little girl's really into hats more so than hair, so I think it's going to be a good fit for her. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye.